Yo, check it out. Yo, it's your boy Von Keith. Let's start it over.
Stay in hustle mode. Got some brand new clothes. Hit them with a pose. Check what I just drove. My car don't touch the road.
Alright y'all, so these are some steps that you need to know if you want to use the razor. Okay, so first of all, you have to get that top tier hair club tap and go hairline spritz. That's first and foremost. Okay, that's what I sprayed on his head, and that's what I used to dry. I let it blow dry, you know what I'm saying, or air dry, whatever you want to say. Alright, and then I went into his vertical bar with my razor. I started off with that because I don't like to go too deep into the vertical bars, because when people have new growth, or if you go in with your trimmers, then you might end up taking too much off, even with the sharpest trimmers. Okay, so now you see I just went across the forehead with my with my razor. Okay, now I'm taking my time, I'm keeping my wrist steady, I'm keeping my hand steady. Now I'm just doing his C-cup, and I already kind of have his hairline constructed out how I want it. So once I visualize it in my head, I know how it's going to come out, and I'll make sure I'm not trying to push it back at all. You know what I'm saying? Now some people, you do have to push it back just a little bit, just to make those few adjustments in order to make sure the hairline is in tip top shape and it's extra crispy. Okay, now we're just getting started on the other side. You know, I'm hitting that vertical bar real quick. Now this side is kind of tricky because you see his vertical bar, it still looks like it's slanted forward. Now in the mirror it looks like it's kind of slanted back, and that's what it looked like to my naked eye, but on camera it still looks like it's still kind of straightforward. So we had to make some adjustments. All right, and you see I wasn't afraid to hold my blade adjacent, and then I just used my comb trick just to go across, just to make sure I get both of my C-cups measured correctly. Now you see that vertical bar still it's not sitting with me right still. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and hold that blade even more adjacent. Okay, so now we're hitting it with the razor. Now we're making sure the hairline is even. Okay, I'm just tilting his head down. You tilt the head down, you can really see clearly if you have any, missteps, or any spots you need to clean up, or if you need to go up on one point, or if something needs to get flattened out, all that extra stuff, man. Now I'm using my Tune 45 Barber Magic pencil by my boy Get Beam. Man, he really constructed a good pencil on this one. He got the right type of pastel pencil to go across the skin really smooth. Now I'm using this pencil to make sure my whole hairline is even. Okay, now once you figure out that the hairline is even, just go in with that razor and clean everything up. All you want to do is make sure the pencil is just leaving a contrast on the skin, because when the client steps out in the sunlight, that's when it's really just going to pop, man, and it's going to make the haircut set off, and it's going to bring another client, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 10 in your chair. Okay, that's what you want. So just make sure your stuff pop. Separate yourself. This is how I separate myself. You can do this too, but just make sure you're doing it right. Okay, now this is the haircut. It's a low drop fade, aka the Philly fade. My man is from Philly, so I gotta make sure that thing is right. The hairline is perfect. Man, I hope y'all learned something today. If you did, please just leave a thumbs up in the comments. Let me go ahead and dust the shoulders off real quick, making sure we ain't got no extra dust. All right, peace out. Thank you for watching.
Stay in hustle mode. Got some brand new clothes. Hit them with a pose. Check what I just drove. My car don't touch the road.